Merry Christmas! Hey everyone, how you doing? I am so excited because today is my favorite day of the year. Maybe not my favorite day of the year, but one of them. We're decorating for Christmas, finally. I think this might be actually one of the latest times I've waited to decorate my house for Christmas because I'm usually, it's November 1st. Christmas is out, as most of you guys know. I recently had sinus surgery. I had a balloon sinuplasty, which is not a nose job. It's basically going inside my nostrils with a tiny ass balloon, inflating it, and making it so that I can breathe better because I have been so sick for the last 2.5 weeks. I had to go to an ENT and we decided that that was the best thing for me because apparently I have some of the smallest nasal cavities they've ever seen. They said it was a miracle I wasn't a mouth breather. So now I'm breathing better. So it was kind of like a blessing in disguise that I got this surgery. So let's go ahead and start our decorating. Now let me tell you guys, my decorating process usually takes me more than a day. So you're probably gonna see me in multiple different outfits throughout this. Just go with it, okay? Just go with it. So let's head on over to Target because I want to start with the bar cart and I want to do a hot cocoa bar. I feel like that's just such a cute thing to do for the holidays, so let's go.
We're not gonna spend our entire mortgage payment on this Target run, are we?
I can't promise that.
I think we might, so wish us luck. Wish her luck.
We need these. This is an essential. Well, all right. We have made it here. We have our hot drink bombs. So we're gonna, and they're not too horribly priced. I thought they were gonna be like $1,000. Not really, but you know what I mean. Get 2 of these Dunkins, but don't tell Starbucks I'm cheating on them. We gotta get one of these snowmen. Maybe one of these too, just so we have options for guests. I love to host, but I can't wait for everyone to leave the house. Some of these. Ooh, a snowman. We need this. I don't even know what this is, but we need it. I'm a big fan of the mini candy canes because a full candy cane feels like a bit much to me. I feel like we need to get something to like organize these on the bar cart because it's just gonna be chaos and we don't like chaos. Riley doesn't like chaos. Okay, we're home from Target with lots of things. I also have some makeup on this table that I gotta check out, but I picked up this tray and since the other stuff we got is black and my actual bar cart that we have that we use, I wouldn't even say it's a bar cart, it's black as well. So it's got like black accents, I don't know. I'm gonna paint this black right now and then we'll decorate. I wish I had spray paint, it would be so much quicker. It's a thick wad of paint. Oh, if you're not following along with me on Instagram stories, you're really missing out because I have been on a Starbucks cup craze, new obsession, and it's been quite a journey. First coat is done. Let's go get the rest of the bar cart going, and then we'll have to do a second coat for sure. All right, this fucker is all painted and dried. It took about 3 coats. I think we're gonna just style it right here in the middle, the smack middle. Bar cart is complete. Now let's do the most painful part, the tree. This is gonna be a while. Let's go.
Well, came outside and found this party happening.
We got a casualty. Snow globe down. It's a mess. Ow, ow, how'd you get so small?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit. 2 at once. You don't even need me. Guys, this for me is the worst part of the whole decorating process is the tree. I love it, but I take my trees so seriously. Like, I'm gonna be one of those moms that has a tree for myself and a tree for the kids to fuck up. That's what it's gonna be. So I think for a lot of this, what I'm just gonna do is get the tree up, see where it's gonna go, find its position, and then we decorate it.
Yeah, we don't have a tree spot.
We really don't. Like, this house is so not meant for a Christmas tree. Like, it's so hard to find a spot to put a tree in. So if you guys haven't been following me on my Instagram and TikTok, I'm also gonna bring them to, I think, my YouTube shorts. But I've been filming a lot of like comedy videos about Italian New Yorker mothers because I'm 100% American Italian, and I think I'm second generation, I'm not sure.
Second.
Anyway, I have been doing videos because I grew up with an Italian mother. You know, those Italian New Yorker mothers, they're a specific type of person, okay? So I've been doing a lot of comedy, kind of like, I guess you would say, sketches of Italian New Yorker moms and shit that they say. So if you're interested in checking that out, but while we are in the middle of doing this segment, I actually literally just remembered, like, I should probably film New York Italian mom putting up the tree, because that is a whole fiasco in itself. These trees weigh a freaking ton. Ugh. A bitch is strong. But I actually really do need Riley to do the top part because I can't fucking reach it. We love being 5 feet tall.
You missed a spot.
Oh yeah, sure. Now you come in telling me I missed a spot. Now you'll get it. Yeah, get the hell out of here.
You go a bit like right there.
So the way that I like to do my tree, and if you've been a long time follower of mine, you already know this technique. I like to fill it up first with signs, big ornaments, and even sometimes larger figurines. If you have like snowmen or whatever, just shuffle them on in, because this really helps fill out any sort of tree. You could literally have a freaking Charlie Brown Christmas tree and use this technique and it will come out amazing. So I told you guys I like to start with signs first, then I go in and I add like little figurines that I know I want to stick out, and then I go in with my larger ornaments and place them where I know I want them to be, basically. So I know I want a few over here. I also do this, by the way, guys, like if you have a string that's way too long and you're kind of like, I want the ornament to sit higher up, I wrap the string around the tree, almost like as if you were tying your hair. And that way it's laying a lot better on the tree than it was initially. And it also secures it better too. You know, earthquake trees. So now this is the point where I start filling the tree in with some of these little cranberries. This is all like techniques that I learned actually with my aunt, because I used to decorate corporate trees with her. We used to do like IBM together when I lived in New York. And I learned a lot of stuff from her, and also just how to fill up a fake tree.
It's a fake tree?
Yes, it's a fake tree, but it'll look cute still. There's a lot of potential. I'm adding in some pine cones now to fill the tree even more. I don't know how people do those trees where you literally see 360 around it, because I'm over here like, thank God people can't see the back. We are successfully making this tree a Christmas tree.
Do you have clearance to be up there?
Airplane clearance? Look, it's your father. Jolly old Saint Nick. The tree is done, you guys. Oh my God, this took like literally 4 or 5 hours. I'm not even kidding you. Let me show it off. Let me show it off to you. So the tree topper this year is extra special because I got it from iHeartDogs.com. And for every one that's purchased, it's 30 meals for shelter dogs. So that is our angel this year. And here is all of our decor. Gorgeous, darling. And I'm so proud of myself. I didn't even buy one new ornament. We got over here some of the more sentimental ones. We got me and Riley. We got Riley on a little ski. Then we have the dogs. Riley and I got this in Bryant Park when we first started dating. I was like, oh shit, we'll see. We'll see if we last this long. And now we're engaged. So yeah, a lot of you guys have seen these ornaments already. We love an eco-friendly queen. So really the only thing left to do here is decorate the fireplace and my dining room table and the kitchen. And I don't really do too much for the rest of the house. Like the main thing is always usually the bar cart and the Christmas tree. And I actually love the tree in this corner. Like I think it makes the most sense in this corner. So I'm really glad that we did that. It is 10 o'clock at night. So I am gonna see you guys tomorrow and we will finish up these decorations. Welcome to day 4 of decorating in my house. I'm not even kidding you, this is the 4th day. So we got the tree up, and we got our hot cocoa bar done. Those were the 2 major things that took the longest. So now we're gonna do the fireplace. And I feel like from here on out, we're gonna be zooming through this, or I pray that we are. So let's go ahead and get the stockings up on this motherfucking fireplace. I almost just said on this motherfucking tree. We're getting up the garlands. How did this fit last year is my question. None of this shit fits anymore or works with my theme. All right. I've never done this before, but I'm feeling this vibe. I got command strips up in here and a little loop-de-loo. That's kind of cute. Oh, it's not even, it's gonna throw them, oh my God, it's gonna drive me nuts. Because it needs to really be here. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. I can already hear the Virgos that this is uneven, but I don't know what you want me to do. This is the cards that we are dealt with. So cute, I love it. So I just found this wreath and I'm kind of wondering what it would look like in the middle. So I'm gonna move the stockings over and just play around. I almost feel like if the wreath was a different color, we might be on some sort of a track here, but I'm not like digging the color. Okay, so my sister, she does a lot of she has her own small business. It's Shop Get Cozy. And on Instagram, and she's making a lot of wreaths and decorations for the holidays. So I'm gonna text her right now to see if she can make me a green wreath to go there. I am on a mission to get rid of all of the fucking gnomes that I have. I think I can actually cut this gnome off. I see stitching for it. Yep, oh bitch, it's coming off. There it is, it's going. See ya. Say hi to your friends for me. I'm so over the gnomes. I used to love them. Now they're out of the picture. Look.
God save the gnomes.
Oh, but he is cute by himself. Oh, poor little guy. I was so violent to you.
He can go somewhere, we're just not there.
That looks way better to me, but I still want my sister's wreath. Look, it's me and you skiing.
Oh yeah?
I'm the one with the shit form and you're the one with the good form.
And coming.
Now it is Christmas.
Your favorite thing.
My choo-choo train. Does it look stupid here? I don't even care if it does. I love it so much.
Still got some
This
boxes.
is fucking exhausting, bro. Welcome to my kitchen, where I barely know how to cook. So for this part, I really like to set up my Christmas tree display in the windows. I've been collecting Christmas tree like little figurines and just statues for a very long time. Home Goods always fucking gets me every time I walk in there. I'm always like, oh, a tree, another tree, another tree. Let's just quickly put that up and we're pretty much almost done. Like this is the last, what's that expression? Like, c'est sans resistance. Do you know what I'm trying to say? This piece of resistance.
Yeah, that's closer.
What is it? My French audience is like fucking rolling over dead. Okay, well, yeah. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this. I think it looks great. Check. The kitchen is done. All right, guys, I'm officially done with our Christmas decorations. Roll the credits. Thank you guys so much for keeping me company while I decorate. I cannot believe it has taken me 4 days to do this. How do you people with kids do this? Does it take you 2 weeks? Do you have to do it in like a week's time? Thank God we don't have a bigger house with more places to decorate, because I would literally be here for a month trying to decorate. And then breaking it all down, oh my God, no, I can't. Well, thank you guys so much. I'm so excited for the Christmas season and celebrating Christmas here and just having a grand old time. So thank you guys so much for watching along. Sorry that this video was so long, but it's like really hard. I'm very new at decorating videos, so if you have any tips, let a girl know. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like what you see, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.